Crazy, huh? We're on the edge. What?
Do you think they sell chipmunks at the pet store?
No.
No?
Well, if they sell those at all. Oh, look. We made it to the big opening at least.
They don't sell them at all.
Oh, I don't know. I don't think they do. I've never seen them.
Is this it?
To the peak. A little bit more. It goes all the way up to that other bridge, dude. There's people up there up top. All the way up there. Here we go. Morning.
Morning.
Great way to start the day, huh?
Yeah, absolutely. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, a little bit. A little nudge.
I'm not going.
We'll see. He's gonna put you on his back. He'll carry it there.
I'm having enough time up myself. This is rough. This canyon's amazing. Straight up. Are you guys together?
Yeah.
You want me to get a picture of y'all?
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. I got 3. You can choose the best.
You want one? You good?
No, we're good. Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
Oh,
You can go down
all the way up there.
or go up. We're gonna go all the way up there.
I thought it was right here.
All the way up there. Let's let them go around. Let's wait on Allison. We gotta wait one while he's coming.
I don't.
Relax.
I really don't. Seriously, I do.
We've got this view right here. Oh, we're out here on this ledge. We'll go right there and go up. They're coming in from way over there, all the way down. We're gonna do that other summit up there next. Then we're gonna do the Narrows. I'm not gonna have enough camera footage to be able to do all of them today, I don't think. It's amazing.